So today I'm making my first subscriber recipe that I got from our sweet friend and subscriber Adele Hayes. This is a bread and it's called Morning Glory bread and it sounds super yummy. So it's a cold day, so it's a perfect day to bake something. So I'm gonna get all my ingredients prepped. Let's see how this turns out. Okay, so this recipe is proving to be very easy to make. I've just gathered up all of my ingredients and I'm just going to put them all in a bowl and mix it up. And I'm going to put it in a bread pan, which I'm going to spray with cooking spray. And then we are going to bake at 350 for about 40 minutes. And Adele suggests serving this with a nice cup of coffee and cream cheese on top. So that sounds good. Alright, so let me go through the ingredients real quick. In here we've got 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Then we have 1 3/4 cup of sugar, and then we have a half cup each of raisins, coconut, and walnuts. I'm guessing shredded coconut would be better, but this is the only coconut I have, so we're going to use that. Also, walnut pieces would probably be better. I have whole walnuts, which I broke them up just a little bit to make them smaller. Then we have 3 eggs in our bowl, 1 cup of oil. I'm using olive oil because that's what I have on hand. A half a cup of crushed pineapple with the juice, 1 cup each of grated carrots and zucchini. And then I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And that's it. So we just mix it up and bake it. Can't wait to try this. I'm not sure if this is going to make 1 loaf or 2, but if it's too much for 1, I'm just going to freeze the other half. And it looks like it's enough for 2 loaves. This looks very interesting. all gonna fit, we're just gonna make one giant loaf. Alright, so here's what it looks like before it goes in the oven. It's very full, so hopefully that'll be okay, but we're just gonna do one giant loaf. So we're gonna do 350 for 40 minutes. I imagine it'll take probably an hour in the RV oven. So I'm gonna bake this up and then we'll see how it tastes. Okay, so we now have an answer to the question of should I have used two or divided it in half and made 2 loaves. Yep. I knew it was risky putting it all in like that, but so it overflowed a little bit and I smelled something strange and it overflowed in the oven. So I'm gonna fix this and then I'm just gonna put it back in on a cookie sheet. So that was probably not real smart on my part, but I guess I was being lazy. So I'm gonna try and salvage this. And I got the oven cleaned up. I'm gonna put it on a cookie sheet in case it overflows some more. But I'm gonna put it back in the oven and see if we can get it cooked up so it's not a total loss. Okay, so I'm giving up my mission to salvage this batch because, where's my pot holder? It's just still like pure liquid in the middle. So I'm going to cut the recipe in half and redo this. And magically you should see the next scene will be. Alright, so this is take 2. And this is such an easy recipe that it took no time at all to whip up another batch, just using half the amount. It actually took a lot longer to clean the pan than it did to make the new batch. The only thing I did different was the recipe calls for 3 eggs, and it's hard to make 1.5 eggs, so I just went ahead and used 2. And also I used up all my vanilla on the first batch, so I was not able to put vanilla in this one, but we're gonna try it anyway. We're gonna soldier on. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Okay, so my bread is finally done. It's nice and dark. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be that dark, but it did take a while to cook in this oven. I was having temperature issues, so it probably cooked for over an hour because for some reason my oven just will not stay at 350, so it was probably more at about 325. But it smells wonderful, and I'm gonna let it cool off and then we're gonna give it a try. It's all cooled off and sliced up. It looks awesome. So I've got my official taste tester here. We're gonna give this a try. It smells wonderful. It's still warm. Yummy. It's very moist. Adele is right. It'd be good with coffee. I like it.
Kind of like a dessert.
Yeah, it's very good. It's different. It's not quite like zucchini bread. It's not like banana bread. It's sweet. It's very moist.
Is that fruit in there?
There's raisins and pineapple, carrots, zucchini, coconut. It's delicious.
It's good. I like how it's got like a crunchy outside.
Yeah. Well, I might have cooked it too long, but... Or maybe it's supposed to be like that. I don't know, but the outside edge is really good. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and give this recipe 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs
3
up.
thumbs up.
I would say it would probably French toast, too.
Ed likes to make French toast out of things, so maybe we'll have to do a segment on Ed's Will It French Toast Challenge.
Yep.
He's already made French toast out of cinnamon rolls, croissants, cronuts, you name it. Alright, thanks again, Adele, for this recipe. It's really yummy. I hope you guys enjoy it too. I'll put the recipe in the description. Alright, see you next time.